The automatic production line installation and debugging of YL video teaching. Video microcourse Introduction of Automatic Production Line Installation and Debugging of YL-335B Automatic Production Line. The learning objective of this course is to understand the basic structure and operating characteristics of the YL-335B. Please refer to the detailed introduction below. YL-335B Automatic Production Line Training Assessment Equipment. The most important characteristic of modern automatic production equipment is its comprehensiveness and systematism. Here, mechanical technology, microelectronic technology, electrical and electronic technology, sensor testing technology, interface technology, information change technology, network communication technology, man-machine interface, and other technologies are integrated into production equipment. The following contents are prohibited: sensor detection, transmission and processing of signals, execution and actuation, etc. Coordinated and orderly work is integrated in the control of microprocessing unit. YL-335B Automatic Production Line Training Assessment Equipment. Installation of feeding, processing, assembling, conveying, sorting, and other working units on the aluminum alloy guide rail constitute a typical modern automatic system platform. The system adopts pneumatic introduction, variable frequency drive technology, step, servo motor position. The control mode of the system is controlled by a programmable controller. Through RS-485 serial communication between each controller, the distributed control mode of interconnection is realized. Therefore, YL-335B has applied a variety of technical knowledge, such as pneumatic control technology, mechanical transmission, mechanical connection, etc. Sensor application technology, programmable control technology, communication technology, step motor position control and frequency converter technology, etc. YL-335B can be used to simulate a control process that is very close to the actual production situation. Make the learner get very close to the actual teaching equipment environment. Thus, the distance between theoretical teaching and practical application is shortened. YL-335B is a relatively independent module using modular composite structure. It also adopts the standard structure and the drawer type module to have the strong interchangeability. Different combinations, installation and debugging can be performed according to the requirements of the training or different tasks. Achieving the goal of simulating production function and integrating learning function is suitable for teaching practical training assessment or skill competition. The feed unit is the starting unit of the YL-335B, which acts as a storage and feedstock of other units in the system. The specific function is to automatically push the processed parts, raw materials, placed in the hopper to the material table in order to transfer the unit's mechanical arm to the other units, so that the manipulator of the transport unit will grab it and transfer it to another unit. The main structure includes workpiece loading pipe, workpiece release device, support frame, valve group, and terminal assembly. PLC emergency stop button and start button, line slot, bottom plate, and so on. Processing unit. The function of the processing unit is to locate the workpiece of the material table to the stamping mechanism, complete a stamping action, and then send the workpiece back to the initial position with the material table. The grasping manipulator device of the transport unit is removed. When the conveying mechanism takes the workpiece to the material platform, The material detection sensor can detect the electricity. The control system drives the pneumatic finger to clamp the workpiece. The material platform is positioned under the drive of the starting cylinder and is positioned below the punching cylinder of the processing area. The stamping cylinder piston rod pushes down the stamping workpiece to complete the stamping action and then retract. After the material table is unscrewed, the pneumatic finger is released to complete the workpiece processing procedure. The main structure of the processing unit consists of material table and sliding mechanism, proceeding mechanism, and solenoid valve group, wiring port, PLC module, emergency stop button and start-stop button, floorboard, etc. Basic function of assembly unit. To complete the assembly process of the black or white cylindrical workpiece in the silo into the finished workpiece. The structure of the assembly unit consists of simple silo, the material body, the rotary material table, and the manipulator. The position mechanism, pneumatic system and valve group, signal acquisition and automatic control system of the assembly work, and the terminals for electrical connections. The whole production line status indicator signal lamp and the aluminum profile bracket and floor for other installation. Sensor mounting bracket and other accessories. The forming workpiece delivered by the conveying unit is placed in the material table of the assembly unit. The small cylinder in the assembly unit storage system is assigned to the designated position according to the control system. The mechanical hand picks up the smaller cylinder and assembles it into the workpiece carried by the transport unit. That is to complete the task of the unit. The sorting unit is the last unit in the YL-335B. The workpiece of the processing and assembly that was sent to the last unit is sorted to make the workpiece with different colors and materials, diverging of grouping functions from different feeding slots. When the workpiece delivered from the delivery station, it is placed on the conveyor belt and the photoelectric sensor of the material port is detected, the frequency converter will be activated. The workpiece begins to be sent to the sub-inspection area for inspection. Depending on the color and material of the supplied workpiece, the requirements for process content are different. The sorting office can complete various kinds of sorting tasks. The integration of various devices can meet the requirements of various control training. The main structure of the sorting unit is transmission and sorting mechanism, conveyor drive mechanism, frequency converter module, solenoid valve group, wiring port, PLC module, rotary encoder, baseboard, etc. The transport unit is the most important unit in the YL-335B system, which is also the most heavy-duty unit. The unit mainly drives its grasping manipulator device to accurately locate the material platform of the designated unit. Grab the workpiece on the material table to transfer the workpiece to the specified location and then drop it. At the same time, the unit acts as the main station in the network system. It receives the system master signals from the button indicator module to read the status information from the station of the network to coordinate the whole system work from the point of control. The conveying unit consists of grasping manipulator device, a stepping or servo motor drive assembly, PLC module, button lamp module, and riping port, etc.